Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your travel insurance with AAA detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your travel insurance with AAA, start by visiting the official AAA website. On the home page, locate the travel section in the main menu. Click on travel insurance to access all available options. Review the different policies presented to understand their coverage offerings. Take note of the details such as trip cancellation, medical emergencies, and coverage limits. If needed, use the comparison tool provided to evaluate different plans side by side. Once you identify a plan that meets your needs, click on the Get a Quote button. You will be prompted to enter your travel details, such as destination, travel dates, and number of travelers. Fill out the information accurately to ensure an appropriate quote. After submitting your details, review the quote generated for the plan you selected. If you wish to proceed, select the option to purchase the policy directly online. Create a AAA account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, follow the prompts to finalize your policy purchase. Ensure that you carefully read the policy terms and conditions before completion. After purchasing, save your confirmation and policy documents for future reference. If you have additional questions, consider reaching out to AAA's customer service for assistance. Review your coverage regularly, especially for any upcoming trips, to ensure it still meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.